Want to live a richer life without breaking the bank? It's simpler than you think. Frugal living is about making smart choices that save money without sacrificing your quality of life. It's about stretching your dollars further so you can enjoy more of what matters most. Think of it as a treasure hunt for savings in your everyday routine. Small changes can add up to big rewards over time. Imagine having more money for travel, hobbies, or simply peace of mind, knowing you're financially secure. Frugal living is about taking control of your finances. It's about making conscious decisions that align with your values. It's not about deprivation, but about finding creative ways to live well on less. Grocery shopping can take a big bite out of your budget, but it doesn't have to. Plan your meals for the week and make a list to avoid impulse buys. Look for deals and coupons and stock up on pantry staples when they're on sale. Consider buying generic brands, which are often just as good as name brands but cost significantly less. Don't be afraid to buy in bulk for items you use regularly, especially if you have space to store them. When shopping for clothes, consider thrift stores or online consignment shops. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the retail price. Look for sales and clearance racks, and don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially for big-ticket items. Your utility bills can add up quickly, but there are simple ways to save. Turn off lights when you leave a room, and unplug electronics when not in use. Wash clothes in cold water whenever possible, and air dry them instead of using the dryer. Lower your thermostat a few degrees in the winter and raise it a few degrees in the summer. Consider using fans instead of air conditioning when possible. Invest in energy-efficient appliances, which can save you money in the long run. Check for leaks in your plumbing, which can waste water and increase your bills. Install low-flow shower heads and faucets to reduce water consumption. Consider collecting rainwater for watering plants or washing your car. Get creative and embrace the do-it-yourself spirit. Learn to cook at home instead of eating out, which can save you a significant amount of money. Repair clothes instead of throwing them away, and repurpose old items to give them new life. Grow your own herbs and vegetables, which can be both rewarding and cost-effective. Make your own cleaning supplies using simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Borrow books from the library instead of buying them, and explore free or low-cost entertainment options in your community. Share resources with friends and neighbors, such as tools, gardening equipment, or even childcare. Embrace a mindset of resourcefulness, finding creative solutions to everyday challenges without spending a lot of money. Frugal living isn't about deprivation, it's about finding joy in the simple things. Spend time in nature, go for walks, have picnics in the park, and enjoy free community events. Focus on experiences rather than material possessions, and appreciate the little things that bring you happiness. Connect with friends and family, build meaningful relationships, and savor the moments that truly matter. Frugal living can free up time and money to pursue your passions, learn new skills, and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, frugal living is a journey, not a destination. Start by incorporating a few tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for support along the way. Now, share your own frugal living tips with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a fulfilling, frugal life.